Let us start discussing this homework question. Yeah, since it's a homework, I'm not coming into the, screen. Hope you tried this and continuing with this. Issued how much? 80,000. Look at the ratio of underwriting ABC. 48,000, 20,000 and 48,000, 20,000, then 12,000 for A, B, C. Can you make out the ratio? Now application is received. What is application is received? 40,000. They clearly say that it excludes from underwriting, which means it includes only marked. Balance will be unmarked. Marked applications A, B, C. 8,000, 10,000, 4,000. 8,000, 10,000 and 4,000 total? 22,000. So 22,000 is marked, balance will be unmarked. What is the balance? 18,000. Or quote the liability next. The liability next. Ratio 12:5:3. Gross liability. How much? 20,000 and minus. Okay, marked applications. Marked applications how much? 8,000, 10,000 and 4,000. Total 22,000 minus firm underwriting also. 6,400, 8,000, 2,400. Total minus unmarked applications, that is as usual in the ratio. Unmarked application, that 18,000 in the 12:5:3 ratio. How much? 10,800. Deduct it, you will get surplus or normal liability. Yeah, firm underwriting 16,800. Okay, so what will you do with the surplus? Surplus of B transferred to A and C. Between A and C, what is the ratio? 12:3. Or you can say 3:1. 3:1 or 4:1? 4:1. So this surplus 2,500, adjust between the others. 2,500. Adjust it
Net liability will be 2800, 0, 2400, total at 23,200. At the end, anyhow, you add back which one? Firm underwriting. 6,400, 8,000, 27,200, 8,000, 4,800, totally 40,000. This is the net liability, or you can say final liability. Done. 27,200, 8,000, 4,800, totally what? 40,000. Here also we can reconcile and verify. Issued application is how much? 40,000, sorry, 80,000. 40,000 or 80,000? 80,000. A public subscription marked and unmarked? 40,000. For the balance 40,000, underwriters are liable. Yeah, assignment question 1.
Hope you have tried this and continuing from now on. Shall we? One lakh 50,000 shares are issued, 100 rupees at par, 60 rupees payable along with application, balance with allotment money. The issue was underwritten by ABC for a commission of 5%. Applications were received for 1,40,000 shares. Received as follows. Okay. We are given details about ABC, and unmarked application is given to us directly. So form application, marked application, total application, unmarked application, everything is given clearly to us. Simple. Credit for unmarked application will be given only to what? A and C. Credit for unmarked application will be given only to A and C. Then they made the allotment and received the amount due from public. Underwriters settle their accounts also. Prepare a statement showing the liability of underwriters. Journalize the transactions. Equal liability. Less marked forms 40,000, 46,000, 34,000. Form underwriting also will reduce. Unmarked applications are directly given to us 7,000. The credit for unmarked application will be given only to whom? Only to A and C. So 3,500 for A and 3,500 for C. Marked form and unmarked applications, you reduce it, you may get some surplus. Yes. And please remember, it is clearly instructed to us credit for unmarked application should be given only to A and C. So 3,500 for A and 3,500 for C. Surplus of B transferred to A and C in their ratio. What is the ratio between them? Equal ratio. Add firm and rating at the end. So gross liability of the underwriter minus marked forms minus firm and rating minus unmarked forms. Then you get some surplus of B. That surplus is transferred to A and C in their ratio. What is the ratio? 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. So after adjusting the surplus, the final liability is 23,000. We can verify public applied for marked forms. What is a marked forms total? This one. This one. 40, 46, 34. Marked forms total. Public applied. Then unmarked forms. That is given in the question directly. 7,000. So totally 1,27,000 is applied by public. But we have issued how many shares? 1,50,000 shares. So balance is given to underwriters. This includes form underwriting also. This 23,000 includes what? Form underwriting also. Just a verification for us. Just a verification for us. Marked and unmarked forms come from public. We've issued 1,50,000. The balance is allotted to whom? Underwriters. So while passing the journal entry for public application, you will pass only 1,27,000. Let us pass the journal entry. I hope there is a separate application money allotment money given. I request you to copy this first. Sir, why are you giving credit unmarked application only for A and C? It is instructed to us in the question. Credit for unmarked application should be given only to A and C. Only to A and C. We'll proceed to the journal entry now. For public applications, pass the entry bank account data to share application account, because there is a separate application account, allotment account, things like that. So bank account data to share application account 1,27,000 into 60. Check the question. 60 rupees per share along with application. balance with allotment. So 1,27,000 into 60. He'll transfer this to capital. Same like issue of shares, you have to pass the journal entry. So this application money from public is transferred to share capital. Then share allotment account data to share capital due entry. Same like issue of shares, you have to treat it and pass the entry. 1,27,000 into 40. 60 on application, 40 on which one allotment. I hope the money was duly collected. It's given in the question. So pass the entry. Bank account data share allotment account. The money is collected. No forfeiture, nothing. We pass journal entry for public applications with two installments, application money, allotment money. Then for the shares given to underwriters, who are the underwriters? Ali account debtor, Bali account debtor, then Charlie account debtor to share capital. It's not application allotment, they have to pay the whole money. Only for the public that 60-40 concept is applicable. For the underwriters, the 23,000 shares into 100 they have to pay. So A will pay for his shares, like 6,000 into 100. B will pay for this 5,000 shares into 100. And C will pay for this 12,000 shares into 100. So total of 23 lakhs will come. Then for the underwriting commission account data to underwriters account. What is underwriting commission payable? What is underwriting commission payable? Based on number of shares issued. How many shares are issued? 1,50,000 into 100 into 5%. And they have to pay the net amount. Simple. From each of them, deduct this amount and collect the money. They will pay the money to the company. They will pay to the money to the company. So bank account data to ABC. How much A will pay? 6 lakhs minus 2,50,000. 5 lakhs minus 2,50,000. 12 lakhs minus 2,50,000. Right? Once again, I repeat, for the public applications, receive the application and transfer the money up to share capital. Then allotment money due, allotment money collected. ABC are allotted with number of shares. Simple, multiply 6,000 into 100, 5,000 into 100, 12,000 into 100 to share capital. The application allotment concept is applicable only for general public. Underwriters have to pay the whole money after adjusting the commission. Commission is 7,50,000 equal ratio. So 2,50,000 each. So simple. How to work out this amount, sir? For A, 6 lakhs minus 2,50,000, 3,50,000. Like that for B and C, the money is collected. The money is collected. That's all. Journal entries are also over. But this is the concept of underwriting is over. See, in your study material, what they would have done is each step they would have put an amount. Less marked form one amount, less form underwriting one amount, less unmarked form one amount, like that they would have put. That will lead to unnecessary confusion. So from gross liability, deduct all these things, then you will find the true surplus. If there is a surplus, transfer to the other underwriters. Next, what you can go through is you can go through your study material, ICMA study material. Okay, this is 2012 22 syllabus study material you can go through, where you can find if there is a one underwriter, what will be the liability, like that. You can understand that very easily. You can find that first two problem we solved, gross liability minus marked and unmarked, net liability, like that they would have passed. Okay, then surplus adjustments are there. With surplus adjustments it is given. You can go through that surplus adjustments. This is similar to that firm treated as unmarked, then firm treated as marked, firm treated as marked, and firm treated as unmarked, like that they would have given. You can go through them. It's a very good question. And you can also go through this partial underwriting, where you can understand that particular concept. So what is most, okay, this kind of question can be tested. This is more like what we have done. 2,50,000 is given. Okay, so underwritten, marked applications are given. Unmarked application will be distributed in gross liability ratio, like that it is given. You can go through these questions at home, where you will be definitely able to make out. Okay, and what is important for examination point of view is this kind of a question, where form is treated as marked, form is treated as unmarked. That kind of a question is tested in the exam. Okay, so I request you to go through your ICMA study material for all the chapters. What you would refer is our recording, that is classes, and of course the material that is provided by Bharadwaj, of course. Then you have to go through your ICMA material also for a greater or better confidence.